G'day everyone, my name is Bella. Welcome back to this video. So today's video is going to be a nail unboxing. So basically I ordered a bunch of stuff off eBay and AliExpress and I'll be showing you all the things that I got in this video. Now obviously I have a bunch of stuff that's still on the way, but obviously I wanted to show you all the packages. So I think if you guys are ready, let's vibe.
A queen should be a queen, a king should be a king. We on the same page.
A humongous pile of packages that has arrived. Oh my god, things are literally like slipping out. That have arrived and I want to unpack them because they're just sitting here. I just want to get into them. I have a bunch of stuff that I probably won't even use for a while. For example, this box. Now, what's inside this box is empty containers. So let's... Okay. These are going to be stored away until you see my organizing my gems video. I have two of these ones. These are pretty small, but they are fantastic for organizing gems. I think that they're the perfect size if you don't have a lot of one gem. And then these, I already have one of these. I have this at the moment and I have gotten into putting some of my gems in there, but obviously I don't have all my gems here, so I figured I would order two of these. They came super quick. Obviously links disappear quite frequently, especially on eBay and AliExpress, so I'm going to, if you type in nail solutions or like nail storage, they will come up. So first thing out of the way. Next thing came in this teeny tiny box. I ordered this, and it is indeed my chrome brush. So let's cut her open. Get into it. Oh, I'm so excited. So one end is like flat and then one is pointy. I mean, you could probably use that for gems. Let's see. Yeah, no, it doesn't work for gems. Okay, but anyway, it's nonetheless, it's good for using it with my chrome, so I'm super excited to have this. Now, obviously I did pay a little bit extra for the crystal gems in there, but in my opinion, it's worth it. Okay, next item, I'm so excited for, oh, you can't even see them, it's upside down. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Oh, how freaking pretty. Okay, better. So these are the two. So the first one is like AB rainbow. I got basically all the different colors. This purple and this one here, I think I honestly don't even know. Oh, this is so hard to open for the first time. I honestly have no idea what this one is, but honestly, I would be willing to purchase all of them again just to get these. Like, I don't know what these are, but they're so pretty. I feel like they are a little comparable to, yeah, I do have them. Am I okay? They're just so freaking sparkly. And then the next thing that I got was pearls. Now, there are like the iridescent ones here. Like these two ones are iridescent, so I'm super excited. I don't think I'd ever use this row. Look, you never know. So that's the second thing. Now, this one I have already used in a video, but I figured I may as well put it in my little haul. These are indeed my nail clips, and I haven't really been using them. I thought that I would use them a little bit more. At the moment, my cuticles are a little sad, so I haven't been using it, because can you imagine using that with my cuticles? No, thank you. Okay, so literally, I just, like, it fell out, like this huge thing for this small brush, like, are you okay? But basically, I got this brush, not for makeup, but for chrome. So when you've got excess chrome, you can dust it on off. I've been using like the super dense brush and it hasn't really been working because like you need something that's super light. So I got a makeup brush. That will definitely do the job. Again, another of these. Oh, Okay. Two very exciting ones. Now I'm gonna leave this one to the side. Now these are little roses. Now I actually thought that they would be way bigger, but then when I saw them I was like, do you know what? It's actually amazing that they're that small because I can't have massive flowers on my fingers. So cute. And these were expensive. This was like nearly $4. No, nearly $5. And there's really, look, I mean, there's like 4 of each color. So it is a lot, but still. Now this item, I'm a little hesitant to open. But oh God, it's already beginning. Okay, I'm just gonna gun it. Oh my God. I'm just gonna tap it, hoping that the excess comes off. Far out. This is why I hate unboxing these glitters. Let's just wipe it off.
Wipey. I feel like that's the best. We're gonna get, let's wipe the desk down.
I hope it's not like you're gonna see glitter everywhere for the next month, which it probably will be. So these I thought would actually be a lot less hexagonal. I thought they were gonna be like a flake almost, which to be honest you could probably use it as a flake on your nail. The colors are amazing. I really just don't know how I'm gonna use this in a look at the moment. I don't know, but super pretty. And I think I paid like $2.80 or something for it. And that particular product I put in, that was like probably one of the most recent things that I had ordered, because it's like all the stuff that I have ordered literally in February still hasn't arrived. This is one of the first bigger packages to arrive. Again, I kind of used one of these products already, but it's the Born Pretty. I got the set, so this is the base coat, so I don't really need the base coat, but sorry, that was a bit messy. But I have already opened the top coat. So long story short, after ordering these, because I ordered these so long ago, I don't actually really like the Born Pretty top coat because it's very inconsistent, but then my good top coat is currently like really low, so I'm just gonna have to put up with it. But I have another base coat, so that's exciting. And then I have these, which these are so pretty. These are the iridescent sugars, so these are called sugars. And this was before I realized that there was different types of sugars. Like I thought that this was like, this is your best bet. But once I realized that if I put it with like a blue, it still turns orange. If I put it with a black, it turns orange. So I got the clear sugars coming. But you know, good to have. Next, this is a super exciting product, even though again, I kind of ordered it when I didn't really think that the Sharpie marble was going to work. This is actually, I have to be so careful with this because I'm really scared of this product. This is basically black ink. I do have a pink and blue coming, so I'll be doing that definitely in a like work with me video. But I have the black as a backup. And then I have tips. So I'm going to take out of the packaging. It comes in a really cute case. The only thing that I'm slightly worried about is the biggest nail not being, oh no, she's there, but I love the shape of them. Love. We have this package here, which has so much stuff. Oh my god, there's like literally like a never-ending pile of stuff in here. Super excited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this item one first. So this is indeed a little cup. Now they generally use this with acrylic, but I'm going to actually use this for my acetone when I'm doing my nails for like a cleanup. And then I have I have one chrome. Actually, let's do the chrome first because I don't know which chrome it is. Oh, it's flakes. Okay, let's get all of these bottles out of the packaging. this isn't annoying at all. And like, really, what a waste of packaging. And can I just say, all the bags have a hole in them. Can you see that? So like, if something leaks, like, doesn't really matter anyway. I'm actually probably gonna keep these because I can use these for chrome keeping. Okay, so let's see what we have here. This was like a glitter set, I'm pretty sure. I also ordered a black and a white. Wow, rude. Okay, I'm pretty sure that this is my white. Yes, so we have a white and then we have a black, which I'm sure of is this one, I think. Let's see. Oh, okay. Black and white, definitely. Oh my god, there's like more glitter everywhere. Then this one, I don't know why it's different to everything else. I have a feeling it's one of those like mood ones. Oh yeah, they are thermal. Okay, there you go, thermal one. So that will be interesting to see. So this was basically like a glittery. I'm gonna insert a time lapse of me swatching these. I have my little lampy here, so then you guys can see what they look like. So I'm gonna get started on that. Okay, we are back. Now, keep in mind, I only did one layer for each of the colors, but here they are. They're actually pretty cute. Like, you know, I'd use this one, and the gray is quite nice, and I've got like a sparkly taupe. Oh, pretty. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with them actually, and I really like this nude. It's very nice. So they're my little swatches. So I figured it would be amazing if you guys could actually see me putting away the products that I got. I do apologize for my attire. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, so you're going to be able to see what I do, because I'm probably going to fiddle a little bit with this stuff. So that was everything for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you do want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below, because I have, I'm sure, a lot of videos that I can do like this, because I have heaps of packages arriving very, very soon. If you did like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. You can't really see. Give it a thumbs up. To the next video, I hope you guys vibe well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah, Donna, Jody and Rebecca.